Hi guys, welcome back. So here we have this nasty radical, and I know it looks nasty, but I promise you it's really easy to do. So we have all of these variables which we're assuming that are positive, and then this is b to the a times c. Before you do anything, let's go ahead and try to simplify. Now remember, in the other videos I show you how to simplify an exponential expression, which this is what you have inside the radical. So let's leave that 72 right now, and let's just think about how many a's you have on the top. Here, there's nothing I can reduce, so I'm just going to keep the 72, and then the a's, I'm just going to keep it just as a to the 5th. Then the 10th, I have 10 here, and I have a here. Well, if I have 10 on the top and 8 on the bottom, this is just going to be b squared. And then the c is just going to be 13 minus 1, which is just c to the 12th. Things are looking a little bit better. Now, remember, anytime you have a radical and you have a square root, remember, this is an invisible 2 right here. You want to make sure your exponents are also divisible by 2. I have my b, which I'm okay, and the c is good, but that freaking a is bothering me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rewrite it. I'm going to go ahead and say the square root of 72, and then a to the 5, I'm just going to write it as a to the 4 times 1, because remember, a to the 4 times a to the 1 is just a to the 5th. Perfect. Now I have b squared and c to the 12th. Now, let's go ahead and work on the letters only, and then we'll worry about the 82. Now here I have a to the 4th, which is going to come out as, remember, you're going to divide it by 2. 4 divided by 2 is a squared. Then this a stays. Then 2 divided by 2 is just going to be b. And finally, 12 divided by 2 is just c6. Perfect. Inside, I have now a 72. Now, 72 is also the same as 36 times 2. So, I can also say square root of 72 is equals to a square root of 36 times 2. And a square root of 36 is just a 6. So I'm almost done. The only thing that is going to stay inside is whatever I couldn't simplify. Well, in this case was this, a square root of 2, and this a. So then this is the same as a times 2, or 2 times a is the same thing. Usually we put the values, the numbers in the front. So the answer is going to be 6a squared b c to the 6, a square root of 2a. And yes, it was a nasty radical. Please don't forget to watch our other videos. Also remember, you can Skype with us. And also, thanks so much for learning.